Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi great students, welcome to the teaching media and ICT literacy. Today we are going to discuss about the one kind of the interactive online application for quiz. The name is Quizizz. There are two activities for today. The first one, how to construct the quiz by using Quizizz, and the second one, how to publish, how to play the quiz with your student by using Quizizz. Good luck! Okay, the first, please come to the website quizizz.com, and then please sign up if you don't have account. This one, so you can continue with Google for the Gmail account or continue with the Microscope, or you can sign up with the email. This is the menu after you log in into your account. So this is your profile. You can add by school or institution description, and for explore you can in here. This is my library. That means this one to be your quiz collections. So how to create? Click create. Okay, click quiz. Please input your name of the quiz, for example science. Please be make specific, for example dichotomous-key. Choose relevant subject, science. Next. And then there are some type about the quiz: multiple choice, textbook, fill in the blank, poll, open-ended, and slide. Let's do by multiple choice. Click to make the quiz. Please write your question in here. You can add math equation, you can add image, you can add audio or video in your question, and then please fill the answer options. Then you can click, and also for the option you can add math equation, add image, please add answer question. And this one, if you need to add the answer options, if you enough for four options, you can delete. Okay, this is the time for each test. You can change 5, 10, 20, 30, and so on. You can explore, and you can add in here, add a fun, fake, or explanation for the correct answer. In here you can add math or media. This is to be your feedback. Okay, and then save. Correct options not. Okay, let's see the answer in here. Okay, click the answer to be the green sign, green color, and then save. Okay, and you can add quiz image, add grades, and add at least 4 questions. Please explore. The next, how to publish your quiz to your students. So please come to your library or menu My Library and then choose one quiz. For example, I would like to choose my quiz Communities and Ecosystem Part 2, this one. So please click Start a Live Quiz, click, and also you can assign for the asynchronous learning, assign as the homework to your student. But for today, let's try to start a live quiz, classic. So student into student, click classic. Okay, you can add theme or classic or test. Classic, that means student try answer by themselves. Classic, and then click continue. Okay, this is how to invite your student to play this quiz. So please ask student to come join myquiz.com. Please invite your student to join myquiz.com and then enter join code 132111. And also you can change the themes by click this menu, many themes in here, so you can click. Okay. For the another tab, I would like try to be student, so I come to joinmyquiz.com. This is the Quizizz.com for join. And then I would like enter my code 132111. Join. Okay, you can change the name also. Start. Okay, I have already joined. Okay. This one in the teacher's desktop, we can see in here the Trisyati as the participant. So we are still waiting for another students. And then please click start. And let's begin the quiz. This one, and this is the this is from the students. See the result from your students. Okay, because the student only one. So let's see the recap in here. Okay, this is the recap. How student can answer correct or incorrect for question 1, question 2, and so on. This is the recap. So we can also see the score for each student.
Thank you very much for your practice. Hopefully this lesson will be one opportunity for your science teaching. Be interactive and improve your students' motivation. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.